Hellcat.
Hi guys, my name is Siddharth and welcome back to my new YouTube channel, Unique Siddharth. So guys, the response which you have given in my previous videos are too good and too supportable, and thank you so much कि आप इतना सारा support लव देते हो। and साथ साथ जो आज की वीडियो है वो आपने थंबनेल उसका देख ही लिया होगा, दैट आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट द 10 कलेक्शंस ऑफ प्लांट्स दैट आई हैव एट माय हाउस, जिससे आपको थोड़ी नॉलेज भी मिल सकती है इस वीडियो के थ्रू, एंड आप इस वीडियो को एक ब्लॉग की तरह भी समझ सकते हो। क्योंकि जो बाकी की वीडियोस जो मैंने आई हैव मेड, in those videos I have told about that self development, these type of techniques, and today I am telling you about my 10 plants that will be too good for my home and for you also. So do watch the entire video, and if you like my video, so do subscribe and share with your parents and relatives. So thank you. सो अगर आपको कुछ भी लगता है दैट आई वांट दैट कि मेरे चैनल को इम्प्रूवमेंट चाहिए, इम्प्रूवमेंट मेरे को लानी पड़ेगी, तो प्लीज़ उस चीज़ को कमेंट में बता दिया करो, ताकि जो मेरी आने वाली वीडियोस रहेगी उसमें जो भी इम्प्रूवमेंट्स है वो पूरी फुलफिल हो जाए। सो लेट्स बिगिन। आपको प्लांट्स के बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। सो टू वॉट दिस प्लांट्स, गाइस यू आर वाचिंग द प्लांट, इट इज़ ऑफ तुलसी। यू आर वाचिंग हियर द लीव्स आर ऑफ तुलसी, and I love these plants as it is a holly plant and the soil is here clay soil. The plant is too good for the freshness if you want to, and they're medicinal plants also. So here it's first plant, and now we are going to our second plant, which is the Mogra plant, which we call it in Hindi, and it is a flowering plant. The soil is also the clay here because it will grow in these months, and I have purchased it 5 weeks ago, but the flower is not here. You are watching the length of the plant. So it is my second plant, and now we are going to the third plant, which is, we will say this plant as the bel patra. You are watching. Basically these greenery plants will help us to focus on our studies, and the classes which I attend here, because the greenery focuses, and the plant is so beautiful. You are watching the length also. This plant, this is my third plant, and now we are going to watch the fourth plant. This is that plant. The plant is too big in size, and you're watching this thing, this here. The flower will be blue, and you're watching this. The flower will bloom after 2 to 3 days, and it is the hibiscus plant. Yes, there are so many roots inside, and the soil here is dry and clay soil. The leaves are so green. Yes. And it is my fourth plant, and now we are going to watch the fifth plant, which is we will say this plant as a kadi pata in Hindi. You are watching the leaves are so thin. This is that plant, and the soil here is clay and wet soil, and the length is also big because I have purchased this plant 1 month ago. And you're watching this thing, this very good plant. It is my fifth plant. Now it's my sixth plant you're watching here. The leaves we will see in front are green, but if we will see it forward, it will red leaves, because I love these plants because they are red at the backward direction, and the soil here is clay. Some of the leaves fall down, and the plant is too good. I love this plant. I have purchased this also plant. You're watching the size, the conditions of the leaves. The leaves of this plant look like the lemon, but these are not the lemon plants. Yes, and this is my sixth plant. And now we are going to 7th plant, which is also the tulsi, and the size of this plant is too small because I have grown this tulsi at my home, and the soil is also same in the tulsi I have shown you, and this is a clay soil. Some of the leaves falling down. So sorry, I have forgot to tell you about the name of this plant. The name of this plant is Euphorbia. Yes, the English name of this plant is Euphorbia. You're watching here. The conditions of the roots and stems. And now I'm telling you about my 8th plants. The name of the plant is Hamelia in English, but I don't know the Hindi name of this plant. The flowers will be bloom after some time. You're watching these types of things. This there also, and the flowers will get into bloom there. This plant is also grown at my home, and the soil is dry soil here. Yes, the plant is too good, the condition is too good, and it is my 8th plant. And after that goes to a 9th plant. This plant is also the holy tulsi, this thing, and the stems are too big here. The soil is clay and wet soil here, and the conditions are too good. This is my favorite one, tulsi, and that Himalayan Euphorbia. And now move on to the last plant, which is the 10th plant, and you also want this plant at your homes also. This is the aloe vera plant, and the condition here is too large because the gel-like structure in this aloe vera are too dense when I cut this aloe vera. So there are too many types of gel-like structure which I use, natural thing. And the soil here is dry soil, dry and wet soil, the combination of dry and wet soil. So this is my last 10th plant.